Welcome to today's episode. Hope you guys are enjoying our videos.
Yes.
So, as we planned, we were not able to upload our daily vlogs because we are going through a lot of things. So, one by one, I'll tell you guys. The first thing is we are having college work and we are going through it, and it's a very tight schedule. So, from morning, we right now we are not having taekwondo also. So, we told our coach. Not to postpone it for 2-3 days because we are it's getting late at night and we are sleeping around 3-4. So we'll be so we postponed the taekwondo. And the second thing is we have started a lot of other skill development things and a lot of things. I'll tell you one by one. First thing is we have started coaching for IIS. So
IAS is really interesting.
so this was something that we were waiting to do in it's been a year. We wanted to start the training, so we finally got a chance.
Yeah, this idea of IAS was there from very long time, and we are still waiting. Okay, when will this start and all? And we'll take you through all the process, like how we are studying, what all the challenges we are going through, like the whole process.
And how you're managing the time.
Yeah, everything.
This is completely different
from our what we are learning actually.
It's like learning.
We need to learn everything
So IAS training, guys, it's not a simple thing. I'm telling you, to be that, you have to know everything and anything around this place.
Exactly.
Not only earth, what past, future, and what around the space and everything.
You should know what's happening everywhere.
So it's really
knowing
good for
anything.
us also. We are now knowing more about other things like society.
Yeah, and a lot of information we are getting, a lot of general knowledge, a lot of memorizing things. A lot of things are there. So guys, it's a very different experience to start such a thing. So let's see how this goes. We don't know we'll be able to achieve it in that level.
We'll do it.
But we'll do it, yeah.
100% in doing this.
We'll try our best.
Yeah.
We'll help each other and we'll try our best.
We'll try our best. So the second thing is we started a new YouTube channel. Yo!
So amazing.
So our channel is called Secretary. So we'll be putting the link here. So guys, please go and check our channel, and we have few videos there. So we've been working on those contents and we've been researching for that. And I hope you guys will like it.
Guys. It will
It
be
is-
very
yeah.
informative and it will be useful for you guys also.
Yeah, it's very informative and it is so different from this channel. So please do go visit and see and give us your honest feedbacks and how you felt about it and how we want to improve. And what else?
Yeah,
because
that's
because of starting that YouTube channel, and as we are maintaining both the YouTube channels parallelly, there is a lot more work like editing and research and then filming it. Even that is one of the main reasons why we're not able to upload our vlogs.
Like the other channel is given more attention from last 2-3 days.
2 days. We just started for 2 days, guys. So just please go visit and please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon. And what else?
Today in our episode we're gonna show how a photo shoot will go on, because Grey have her jury work and we didn't start the photo shoot, and today we have to submit. So we're gonna take you through the whole process, how the photo
Not today, tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow, yeah.
Guys, so I have to do the photo shoot by today, and tomorrow I have to upload it.
Okay.
So let's see how much we can do. So we have few things planned in our mind. So we will go take you through it. So we have our garments ready, the designs and everything is set. The concept is also set. So we'll be going through put the lights and set a location,
Makeup and
makeup and set the model and few creative poses and just ramp walk. Seriously, we might not be having time for that, but we'll be showing you few moments of all those things, but not everything. So guys, let's see how it goes. So we are having some crazy concepts going on.
Out of the box concepts are there.
Yeah, out of the box concepts. So we have our light person here who is EO. She'll be taking care of the light, and we have makeup, which is Drix. So she'll be taking care of that, and here I am, designer, and we have here Nev
The camera
and Lit,
all
the camera and the vlogging team.
Camera and walking clean.
Vlogging team.
So this
let's
is gonna
see.
be more of like a quick setup, very kind of a guerrilla method where you'll do simple tricks and tips and come to the result. So we'll
So
show
the thing is, we are not starting it now. We'll start at night, so we'll have limited time.
Yeah, we have limited
every time we
things
do this.
also. So we need to
It's so
do
good.
something.
Okay.
So guys, let's see how it goes. Hope you guys will enjoy it, and we'll be showing you the results at the end. So here we are in the behind the scenes of Secretary channel, our new channel. So I'll show you it.
Hello guys.
So everyone is here. Drix is going.
She's going to speak now.
So her research is all done and she prepared it.
Yeah.
So let's see what she is doing. We also don't know what she is going to say today.
At least I know a bit. I'm not completely prepared, but I think it's better to shoot and then go for a next take if it's not good. Because if we think of always preparing, it won't be done.
Yeah, so it's just a go.
So she's
So here
left
we
and-
have so here we have EO in the light team.
Yes.
So we have our light setup here which is all
Everything is
dark.
It have to be dark.
So you know it's morning and we are inside this room.
That's why we choose this room, so it is very dark and we can set up the light and properly we can shoot.
And it
Yeah.
suits perfectly for our channel, which is
The
all about
mysterious
mystery,
channel.
dark, horror, very interesting out of.
So guys, we'll be in this channel. We'll be having videos which is related to facts that is unknown and unsolved mysteries, and lot more things about aliens and creatures and
under the earth.
anything, everything that is so mysterious and interesting. We choose this room for this particular channel because it is having more sound cancellation, I would say, because it is not near to the road which is in front. So let's see. And it's dark also. So I think these people are going. I'm sorry guys.
Okay guys, so here there is one practical which is actually looking so good, but as we are taking a portrait photo, it will be disturbing to the frame. So we're gonna cancel this light, and I think he was gonna do a lighting setup, might be with a key light, a simple with 1 or 2 light setup.
So EO is our life expert.
Yeah.
Hi EO.
Hi.
So what's your plan for the shoot? For the lighting?
I am planning to 3 light
Setup.
setup. One is key light, then top light, and fill light.
Fill lights. These are the 2 garments we're gonna try today. So first garments we have, this is a long coat. So you can see it's a double color coat. It's a tailored one, and inside it's very, English.
English.
English. And we have a pleated skirt along with a tank top. And in the second dress, explain about the cool. Oh yeah, these are.
Unique hands.
So this whole collection was inspired from turtles. So if you can see, there's a lot of elements that resembles turtles. And what else?
The rest when we wear it.
Yeah, when we wear it. So next garment I'll explain to you. So this is a blazer plus trousers plus a shrug garment. So it's basically layered. So the concept is all about layering each garment upon one another because it's a blanket dressing. This is called blanket dressing. So let's see. So it's also quilted patterns are there. It's also a different kind of quilted pattern. This is having diamond quilted patterns. But this one has.
This is a smaller version of blankets we see, but this is different.
This is a different kind of quilting, which is scribble pattern. And we have a pant, and we have a quilted shrug. So let's see how this photo shoot will come. Yeah. What do we do? What is the concept? Concept of the photo shoot. We can do something surreal.
Creative,
Yeah.
something that is very different or away from the concept. Like, how do I say? Okay. Let's randomly pick something.
Turtles? Okay, can we get turtles?
Because we don't have turtles here, let's
We can use this coconut as a prop.
Coconut as a prop?
It has a shell, like a turtle.
Are you kidding me?
Just like a turtle, it has a shell.
Are you going to take random things from the fridge and going to shoot?
Why not? That's a very good concept. Let's do it.
Okay.
Like eggs.
Orange is nice.
Orange is the best.
You look good in orange.
This is a very
Do a pose, do a random pose.
orange. That's all I can do.
Man, this is going to be horrible.
So now the base color is done. I just applied pink tint all over and blended it. And now I'm gonna apply a bit of shimmer at the now I'm gonna apply eyeliner. I think I'm gonna do a fox eyeliner. So eyeliner part is done. I'm trying to do a white.
Show the eyes, the lone eyes, you know. When I'm focusing.
Show this one. It's nicer.
It's not identical.
Open
though.
it now. Ooh, oh,
It's still not done. The mascara is left. Little more detailing have to be done. And the artist.
Ah.
And the canvas. And the canvas.
What a phrase. What a face.
I tried to apply the eye pencil on her eyelid, but it's just wiping off her eyeshadow. So I think we need to change the plan. Might be I need to apply one more line with the eyeliner itself.
Got inspired seeing all the stand-up comedies.
I'm sitting, so it's not a stand-up comedy.
That was good.
Stand up.
Yeah, I should stand up.
Stand up. Comedy.
What is that pose?
Done? Whoa.
So we used orange and lime. We tried with the coconut, but it looks. Yeah, it's
It looks amazing. Nobody supported coconut coffee.
That is actually good. Do a photo shoot with it.
Anything will work.
Guys, amazing. So let's see the results and do a little bit of edits and see how it looks.
So we are done with the photo shoot. We went through all the photos and we selected few photos. Now it's time for quick edit. We don't have time, so let's do something very simple that can be done, might be within some 3-4 minutes, and then we can add these photos to our mood boards, look boards, and finish off the presentation. So today we're gonna show how to quickly edit photos in Photoshop by using few basic tools and options like temperature, tint, exposure, vibrance, saturation, and so on. So let's get started. Here I just took one of the images from our shoot, and first thing which we want to do is go to filter and select the option camera raw filter, and then you'll be led to a layout like this. You can maximize and just on the basic option where you have all the basic settings like white balance, temperature, tint, exposure, contrast, all these things. So I'm going for a look which will be desaturated, and also I'm gonna add a lot of grains on top to give the aesthetic mood to my subject so that it will be related to the topic, which is solitude. So first thing, let's balance the temperature of the photo. I'll just scroll to the left so that I can balance the warm tone of the photo, and then I'm going to decrease the exposure because it should look really moody, might be more on the dark side. I'm increasing my contrast. This is different, less contrast and more. That looks good. Shadows down so that my blacks will be really black. Whites are looking good, blacks are already black. Texture pretty much good. Clarity, I think I can increase a bit more clarity so that, yeah, no, that's better. This is the coolest part, vibrance. Just go to your left and look what happens. Everything is desaturated except the orange. You can go up to very last so that whole picture will be desaturated and only one object will be really vibrant. But here I'm just going until might be here. Yeah, that looks okay. -32 is fine. There are a lot of options like curves, details. There are separate options for color where you can play with all of these. You can do skin tones with these options. You can do background coloring, objects. You can highlight few objects, you can desaturate few objects. So many options are available, but now I'm not going to play around with those options. I'm directly coming to effects. Here we have two main effects. So coming to effects, here we have two options, which is grain and vignette. So as I already told, I really want like really grainy picture. Yeah, I'm just keeping it 100, and I'm going to add a bit of vignette around the image. Yeah, I think that is good enough. Click OK. Yeah, this is the picture, guys. This is what I expected. I know like a lot more can be done with this picture. Retouching can be done, desaturating and coloring, color grading. Might be we can change the whole background and add lights. So many things can be done with a single image, but with the time what we have, this is what we plan to do in few couple of minutes, finishing it off. And if you want to explore more, you can do a lot of things very easily. You can just duplicate by clicking Command J and add mask layer, select the image and go Command I, so that it will be inverted. Even this is like, I don't know what it is called, but this looks really interesting. What you can do, go to the mask layer, you can just go to rectangular marquee tool and just draw a rectangle to delete. Command D to deselect everything. So you'll have two different variations in the single picture. You can go add some text. Okay, I'm just adding one of my main keywords of the collection. Command T, increase the size. What is this? Okay, I just downloaded this font. This looks really cool. Do the placement wherever you want. Increase or decrease the size. Yeah, okay, a little more up. Just centralize the text. Cool. And then you can apply all these layer effects like dissolve, normal. And just scrolling through all the effects. Overlay, soft light, vivid. Okay, that looks good. Overlay is fine. You can change the color. White to something else. Might be something vibrant. Something really dark like this. I liked it better without text, so even just the image looks cool with the effect. Maybe I'll use the effect image for my mood board, and for the collection image I can just keep it plain. File, save as. I'm just going to save photo shoot edited one. That's it guys, this is how we edit photos in Photoshop in a couple of minutes and get the job done. I think we have to repeat the same process for a few more selected images, might be explore more text and other styles but keeping the mood and concept in mind. And I think Gray will have to keep everything together and finish her submission. It's been a lot of fun, photo shoot, modeling, creative props, oranges, and then quickly editing this, and I'm really waiting to see the end presentation. Good night.